Hello. In the last video we take a look at the hardware of a DIY photogrammetry scanner which takes 40 pictures in the same time with a hope that we can extract 3D data. So let's see what's going to happen. The software of the choosing is a RealityCapture. I've done my research. I think this is a best solution for my purpose. So, okay, let's see what's going to happen. So, we will take 40 images. Okay, means that all 40 cameras triggered correctly, and put our data right there. Excellent. So as we can see, here's my laser lines. Okay, step number 2 is align images. This process is a critical one, and end results are not very good. Okay, so let's look at component 1. So I don't even see myself there, but what I see is let's inspect what even angle it is. Okay, that's from the back. So we have, so number 1, I'm not in the center of the frame. Number 2, this mass of points is a background. Okay, so that's created this component, but it's mostly created the background. Ouch. Okay, that's not good. Okay, let's check component number 2. Okay, oh, okay, that's something. Okay, a lot of background. Yeah, look at this amount of background. I thought that would be a good image, but it isn't. And yeah, you can see the 2 columns. And again, that all this white stuff is a background, and a whatever beige color, that is a furniture on the background, but not an actual subject. Bummer. Okay, let's look at component number next. That's another 2 columns. Okay, now we see the actual scan. So let's see what point is that. Okay, from a side. Okay, so yeah, that would be my face. But again, what I see more of is a background. Not brilliant. So next component. Oof, that's a weird shape. Okay, now, oh, that's just totally lost. Next component. Oh, that one. Or that one. Okay, this is a mess. It's just an absolute mess. Not very good. Oh, here we are. Okay, so yeah, okay, now we see the subject, but there is an insane amount of junk on the background. Okay, so we're getting there, but it's not what we need. Yeah, okay, I don't like it. Bummer. Okay, let's try another scan. Okay, and those of sensitive disposition, please leave now. Okay, somewhere I lost one image. Okay, so what we have now, we have way clearer scanner readings. Not scanner, sorry, laser. Let's see if that's going to help us. Align. This software works extremely fast. Okay, we have a bunch of components and no, I do not like it either. Okay, new, attempt number next. Okay, align. Okay, that's exactly what I want to see. Single component, everything works. As you saw right now, on the first attempt, it creates a bunch of components. Do it second time, we have a very, very good scan. That's what I want to see. I still can see a lot of junk. This is this shelves on the background. That's all the garbage around here. This is that stuff on over my shoulder. So, but yeah, we are getting there. Okay, there's some yeah, wholesome density. Okay, now we need to just clear this stuff up. It's done by moving around as dots because we want to recreate only subject, not rest of the mess. Okay. Okay, let's clear it even more. Isn't it? Look, 39 cameras out of 39. That's what I'm going after. How can I make it work all the time? That would be awesome. Okay, so by clicking on the cameras, you can. Okay, right now we can see that a part of my head was cut off here. Let's take some other cameras. Here. Okay. Look at me. Keep hitting wrong. Okay, so that's not perfectly centered. Okay. Okay. That's not a perfect center either. I do not need to have all this mess in the images because they throw software off. That's a pretty good picture. Okay, and that's for some reason out of focus. Good. Okay. Well, the next step is to recreate a model. Let's click that one. Okay, whilst it's doing that, it's going to take some time, but not much. I have to warn you, you would need an extremely powerful computer. On the one which I'm doing right now, I have 64 gig of memory, 3080 Ti NVIDIA card, and i9 CPU, solid state drive. So yeah, but compared to my extremely early attempts of doing that many years ago, the progress is insane. It used to be like literally days. Now everything done in minutes. Alignment you saw took literally seconds. So that is awesome. So let's see what we're going to get on the scan. Come on. So based on what I see right now, I definitely need to center cameras much better because I capture a lot of pointless background. My background is way too noisy. I thought putting numbers was a very clever idea, but it creates more anchor points on the background than it is in the center, especially if you have something which absorbs light, like you saw my black clothing. So that generates a problem. Okay, so far so good. Okay, yeah, there's some messed up head, but we saw on some of the pictures that um, yeah, that's not a good picture. I mean, come on, it needs to be in the center. I had a yeah, so stuff like that missing, so as a result we lost some definition here. Okay, the lines I see here or on the face, those are laser lines. Okay, 1 second. It's kind of, yeah, here we are. Yep, that's what you see, but that I can easily fix in a post-production. That's not a big deal. That is a bit of mess. I definitely need to adjust the scan. So the resolution, well, you can even look my, you can even see my eyes. That is wow, 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 wow. I'm happy. I'm really happy. The scanner is getting where I need to be. Um, okay, there's some more artifacts here and there. That's laser lines. Here is a mess. Here is a mess, but okay. But it's a great progress. Okay, here's we have a back of a chair. Awesome. Okay, so the scanner, that is a proof of concept, and I cannot be happier with that than I am right now. Excellent, excellent results. Okay, we see another head cut off, and another. Okay, yeah, looks like a series of cameras are pointed wrong way. So what I think I need to do with my hardware, I need more cameras on top. Definitely need more cameras on top. Maybe pointing more down, so I can fix topography right here. And number one. Number two, camera alignment need to be done better, which is pretty hard to do because screens are facing outside. So I need to figure out how I'm going to do that. Then the phones like that is no good. I need to mask them somehow. I need to have a proper 360 background, and I need to get rid of okay, from front that's okay. Let's see, yeah, but you see all of this crap on the background, it does create the distraction for software. That need to be addressed. I put the shiny side of a silk facing inside for the purpose of kind of reflecting more light, but it creates more hard texture. I think that was a mistake. So yeah, the software definitely capable of doing what I need. It may require more attempt than one, but as you saw, one component, no problem. If I can get it all the time, that would be awesome. So okay, now I think I know what do I need to upgrade my hardware, and I believe that would be the subject of my next video on this saga. but today I am super excited to see my first very nice results. It's kind of bummer that it's the color could be such a deciding factor, like black glow absorbs laser lines. But again, if I clear background, maybe it will focus more on a subject rather than on a background. So yeah, definitely some work required. So okay, well, that is an exciting news. The stuff is working. Awesome. Okay, well, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.